रख लो इधर में आओ ना तुम लोग रख लो इसको मेडिकल लेके जाएगा मैं फिर खाए लड़के लोग You'll just stay for medical.
One person, no? Sir, this is Kerman here. I'm from the media. Simsang, you know this. See, at least medical doctor, medical should be here. Just send the medical officer. No one. It's okay. Please don't force.
No, nothing by force. Nothing by force. You just go for medical.
No. Send the doctor here also.
Please. You just go for medical and you will come back.
See, let me narrate one story. Let me, as a media person, let me narrate one story. There was a high-profile case here who went on a hunger strike. You all sent a doctor. That is Mr. Adan Basaimaj. You all send a doctor, sir. Sir, no, I will argue with you. I will go to any extent and argue with you. You all send a doctor here, and they went on for a medical checkup. And just because he's an ordinary person, no, sir, you'll have to send a doctor, sir. You'll have to send a doctor, sir. They have a mobile.
Not by force. It's not by force, sir. We also She doesn't want to by force.
We are not your worker.
Not by force, sir. That means, sir, you understand? They'll handle female. Yes, of course we have. Will? It's not by force, sir. No, sir, please. Don't do by force. Don't do by force, officer. Please, don't do by force. Don't do by force. If you doesn't want to show willingly, then why you are taking it by force? Nothing. Just for a minute. No. It's better to send you, sir. Better you send your medical. It's better to send you, sir. Your doctor and all is better to send you. Sir, please. Sir, it's better to go to your doctor to send you, She's a woman. This is Dharna. There's no violence, anything. This is Dharna.
We have to ask one question. I have to ask you. Please show me a black and white order. Please show me a black and white order from the government. Please show me a black and white order. You can't just come here without a black and white order. Please. We need a... Sir, I will, sir, listen to me. With respect, sir. I will end up saying that I am a journalist, but listen to me. I am a resident of Ribhoi district and of Nangpo constituency. I won't allow you to do this. No. Come on, with a mask, please go.
Wait, I'm just... to force anybody.
No, see, Samsung, you know me very well. This is not the way. This is not the way.
चलो मेरा
This is not the way.
everybody.
This is not the way. No, I'm not getting it here.
You can tell me, send the message to the government. You can tell the message to the government.
Just come to
bakar buat kawan buat badan berhenti buat kawan lek banang yaune pej bah kadur hapan pej bah kadur nomor kalau buat
Why you getting so easy?
Question you.
We are talking in a very good sense, in a very polite manner. So please, let's stop. What do you want exactly from your end? What do you want exactly from them?
That's what I'm
So
saying.
you tell us.
That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, because from our organization also we already.
I'm not a competent authority to speak on anything. I'm only here to that.
No, see, I already had a word with your OC, sir.
Wait. I'm only here to just see that her health is taken care of. That's it. That's the only thing.
If you
Sir,
no,
Afsha,
Wait. I'm not.
Kani kila banle ak por min siru. Tenre kiwan nak por min miet kata ki kulit kiwan nak baka dur. Kabasulingo along ba kidantang kat tu kaningot ki kulit kente. De kiwan ibubun ki de ki asuti baka dur. Maka jingwan ka jongki kong ka jingtip haswa bangan poi ma kalong kiwan nak bor. Kani hamla ban pediang lanu Mar lanangi keng habaki ai ya kata ka jing pencai ka jongki baki ong makin ra ya ini kong bindas im hospital nasulingo ba kumnu kinchuan tang daki pulet haba lada ki sothu ba kamet ka jong i la tlot ba ha ka baning kong ki non ra daki doktor lada ki doktor ki ong ba kamet ka jong i kala ka kot ka khia ka jong i kam long shu ka de maki ki ben ai ta ka sernot na de ka certificate Jadi ban pitia hospital tu. Ni kumbolong pat kilabun ki sipor ki baki wan ki baye sakhan ki baye. Jadi ki doktor pat ki wan sing ni ke kam di ki pulit. Barakani ke por ngan keren dukum nong song snong jong gari boy district. Nadang hadu mentang nadang di nong song snong jong gari boy district. Nado ke siningkong ngala debong bangan yai don ringkat pat i namar kani ke de dauba jong ipajba nang tinepo de boy district isyam jing e. Ya kaya ke bakiman ngan yai don kat barki ngan keren dukum nong thok kubor ngan keren dukum nong song snong bakani dalil inginum la bansha mangai bakani ladangi ailat ya kani kan wanja na kapor kapor ba mut tang na kabor uniform kila pan penungkam hang nong nuru kani kanum la panlong dalil leru haba penungkam ki sothu kide gi pulet ta kamram ko jumpi kede ke ai kide ban sothu bat ka basulingo kolong namar ba ki pulet USP dalade wan hakani ke jaka ngamtip lada udang biang ke klik perkat nem namar lada pej ya ke durkmat ke jongi ui kumbaw la syok khawiyang kani ngabu ke jingkeli saka police department ya ke video ke bayo balada kani ke de gerkom trikam kemut ke lawe jingi kun samlar ke don ha ke jingma ba ka por ba ki syok khawiyang kila panle kanu lada ukun samlar don tangwe arngut ha kanu ke jaka bat kani nginum de ban sya dalilairu penganget kinong mi khmat jong gani gari kasi jantia ki de ban keren ya gani marhang ni ki babun ki de ki bala saki bat ngin long ru kinong saki ban pen sngow ya gani detang gini kintien kabangadon bat ong
Bakarman nama